Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing my top 10 tips for writing a book. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced writer, these tips should help bring your story to life and make it the best it can be. So let's get started. Number 1, start with a strong premise. Your book's premise should be unique, captivating, and be able to make readers want to learn more. Number 2, know your audience. Understanding who your target audience is will help you tailor your writing style, tone, and content to be able to engage them better. Number 3, create an outline. Before you even start writing, create an outline of your story. This will help you stay organized, avoid any plot holes, and keep your story on track. Number 4, write every single day. The more you write, the better you'll become. Try to set aside time each day to write, even if it's just for a few minutes. Number 5, show, don't tell. Instead of telling your reader what's happening, show them through your characters' actions and dialogue. Number 6, write interesting characters. Your characters are the heart of your story. Make sure they're well developed and unique and their motivations are clear. Number 7, write dialogue that's natural and believable. People speak differently in real life, and your characters should too. Number 8, use sensory details. Adding sensory details such as sight, sound, smells, and textures will help your readers immerse themselves in the story. Number 9, use an active voice. Writing in the active voice makes your writing more engaging and makes your story feel more immediate. And number 10, avoid cliches whenever possible. Try to steer clear of these and any overused plot devices. Your readers will appreciate a fresh and original story. And there you have it. Those are my top 10 tips for writing a book. Remember that writing is a journey, and the more that you practice, the better you'll become. Happy writing. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations on what we should make a video about next, please leave it in the comments.